Welcome to 5th episode of Best Nova Launcher Setups. Again I'm back with 3 new home screen. This widget shows time and day. Icon pack used is pastel line. Let's see second setup now. Here is second Nintendo Game Boy setup. This widget perfectly matches with the wallpaper. It shows time, day, date, battery percentage, and you can play or pause the music. Here I selected same icon pack used in previous setup. Let's see last setup of today's video. Here is last setup of today's video. This widget shows time, day, date, and temperature with weather icon. Icon pack used is Linex Black icon pack. I hope you all like the setups. Make sure you purchase Pi for KWGT on Play Store. See you all in next one.